Okay, so today I'm going to be opening a package from Mary Artist. As you can see, they package the items very thoroughly. Unlike somebody else I know, somebody named Blake sends me a $200 package plus $25 shipping and a bubble mailer that rips, and the tubes of paint stink because they've busted open. Okay, I'm not Mary Artist. Look at this. This Blake. Ah, this is how you package a box of art supplies. As usual, they give me their little thank you note. Those always feel special. So, two different things. Gotta cut that part out. It's got my name. Okay, so two different things I ordered. Well, three. But oh my goodness, they organized them by rainbow. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh man, this is like another, oh my gosh. Okay, Mary Artist, I see you. Yes, I like that. So mostly it's paint to restock the shop for the 0.5 mg pans. Wow, I cannot get over the packaging. It's just so mesmerizing. Okay, and a few Daniel Smith tubes, and something I've been wanting to try that I'm going to treat myself to, which is core. It's supposed to be wonderful. Okay. Should have probably, I don't know. Okay. Comes off pretty easy. I haven't got the nice little Ziploc bag. Can reopen it if I need to. This is probably my 20th or so package from Mary Artist, and I just feel like I really need to shout them out. Like, they go above and beyond. Like, everything from them is packaged so well. It's like so pretty. I don't even want to mess it up. That's how nice it is. There's another unboxing video I have of the Blick package, and I didn't put the shots in of the original package, but I put the shots in of the busted tubes, and it's just really annoying because they already charge, you know, $25 if you want some decent shipping. And on top of that, they're going to send it to you with loose tubes in a bag and a very thin bubble mailer. It should have been sent in a box. But enough complaining. I don't want to complain anymore. Wow. Okay. Let me go get the scissors really quick. So, like I was saying, these colors are mostly to restock the shop. Get open. So have quinacridone violet, quinacridone rose, quinacridone red, naphthol red, screaming birds in the background, I'm sorry, transparent orange iron oxide, nickel quinacridone gold, Indian yellow, haven't had that one in a while, Hansa yellow, bismuth yellow, oh my gosh, there we go, let's see up here, bismuth yellow, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, haven't had that one in a long time, burnt umber, and terra rosa. So that's that first little package. I'm gonna move these up here. And second package. So, for the second package, we have Mineral Violet, which I've actually never had before, Cobalt Blue, Cobalt Teal, Turquoise, Phthalo Blue, Neutral Tint, Olive Green, which is another color that I haven't ever had, Hooker's Green, which I think I've had Hooker's Green, but I don't know if I've ever swatched it. Then a few Daniel Smith colors that are also being restocked. Amazonite Genuine, Mayan Dark Blue, Manganese Blue Hue, and Burnt Sienna. So that's it for the M. Graham and the Daniel Smith. And the other thing that I ordered that I'm really excited about is a 24 set of 5ml tubes of core paint. I had been wanting to try them for a while. I've heard a lot of good things about them. You know, obviously that they're known for their vibrancy and the way that their product flows on paper. So we will get this open. Lights are flickering. So what I'm probably gonna do is shut the camera off for a minute in a little bit. And oh, there goes my lighting. If it can go wrong, it will. So I was saying I was gonna shut my camera off maybe to do some swatches. I'm not really sure. I'm still trying different types of unboxings out. I don't know whether people prefer the pure ASMR ones or they want they would want you to talk over them. Not sure. It's a lot of unpackaging. So the 10 is looking very nice. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely love that 10. Oh. Get a little close up. Ooh. Yeah, I like that. Oh. And then we got the little mixing palette here. That's also very nice. We got a little booklet. Let's see, does it have colors on it? Yes, it does. That's another nice thing to have, and there we go. There they are. Yeah, I think I definitely want to play around with these a little bit. So, be right back.